everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Subhisani. Hope you are doing great. Now today I'm gonna talk about how you prepare for the NEET MDS 2024 preparation, basically about the subject scheme. See, if you see the overall subjects which are there in the NEET MDS 2024 preparation or in any of the NEET MDS preparation, if you are doing that preparation, definitely we divided the subjects into two categories. One is the basic subject and second one is the clinical subject, right? So here I am gonna tell you the list of the basic subjects and the list of the clinical subject. So basically all the subjects of dentistry from the first year to the final year, that is come under the NEET MDS preparation, right? And that's why we classify them into two categories. One is the basic subject and second one is the clinical subject. Now what is the importance of this basic subject and the clinical subject? That is what we talk about in this video. So it's my humble request that you can watch this video till the end and at least do share. If you really find it helpful, you can use the thanks button also. Now back to the topic. Clinical subjects mostly include the final year subject. That is the oral medicine and radiology, oral pathology, then periodontology, then pedodontics, then public health dentistry, or we can say the community dentistry, then oral surgery, prosthodontics, orthodontics, conservative and endodontics, right? So these are the 9-10 subjects which come under the category of the clinical subjects. On the other hand, the rest of the remaining subjects which you read in first year, second year and even in third year, that come under the basic subject. Now let's talk about the importance of these clinical subject as well as the basic subject. The importance is that the clinical subject usually constitute 60%, right, as compared to the basic subject usually constitute 40%. That means if we do the analysis of the paper, we see that 60% of the questions come from the clinical subject and 40% of the questions come from the basic subject. This is the first criteria. Now the second criteria, as you have also read, many comments are there on my channel and many students have already asked me this question that only we are left with the 5 months. So how we can prepare for the NEET MDS 2024? This or that, the strategy, the everything. Everything is already out on my channel, but still, first answer to your question is it possible to cover the NEET MDS preparation 2024 in 5 months? My answer is yes. Yes guys, you can prepare very well and crack the NEET MDS 2024 examination in just 5 months. It is possible. It is not a delayed one, right? Although in my previous video I have talked about it that the competition level is very high. Don't think it as just a normal thing because now the rules has changed, the things has changed, so the preparation level has to be increased more, right? Now second question is how you can focus on the preparation. Although you can take all the facilities from me by DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, or by taking the past papers, or any other kind of the guidance help you want, just DM me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, or drop me the mail, connect with me on my official WhatsApp number through my team members. They will definitely connect you and then you can get my guidance directly. But if you don't want all these things, still I will say this video is for you only, like how to prepare. Focus more on the clinical subject as compared to the basic subject. This is the second mantra, the second rule for the NEET MDS 2024 preparation. As I have told you, the clinical subjects has more weightage than the basic subjects. So what should be your strategy to just clear or to just get a 400, 500, 600, 700 marks like that? So even if you are targeting just a 400 or 500 marks, right? or even if you just want to just crack and clear it by just 300 marks or something like that, at least focus on the clinical subjects more. Give your 80% time to the clinical subjects and 20% time to the remaining basic subjects. Divide your day in such a manner or divide your week in such a manner that you can strategize it yourself. And if you need any guidance regarding the timetable, the unlimited WhatsApp practice question is there. There is unlimited questions available in the WhatsApp preparation group for the NEET MDS 2024 preparation. You can join it. Unlimited 24/7 doubt session is there. My whole team is there to help you out. Even many MDS people are also there who will help you out in this preparation from my side only. So my main concern is whatever query you have, don't go anywhere, just connect with me, at least not on just YouTube only, connect with me on my Instagram also, on YouTube also, and stay updated at least. This is the minimum thing I require from you. This is the another strategy that you can use the 80% 20% rule. 80% you can focus on the clinical subjects and 20% you can focus on the basic subject. So this is the another method to prepare for the NEET MDS 2024 preparation. And don't forget, the live classes will be start definitely after the 20th October 2023, because after that I will be free with the counseling procedure completely. Still there are few students left and want to connect with me, or the remaining one wants to connect with me, so that's why I'm there for them also. But the registration is already open. The people are getting registered themselves in the groups, and moreover there is one separate WhatsApp group on your request. Yesterday I have fabricated, that is regarding the latest updates and the tips and tricks and everything related to the examination for the NEET MDS 2024 exam updates. By this name, as you can see in the community tab section also, I have released it yesterday. As you can see, this group is already fabricated and students are getting registered and get into this group very fast. So it's my humble request, either you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen or Instagram ID which is shown on your screen, and at least the minimal thing is you can do is you can join this group if you want to. There is no other compulsion. Choice is all yours. So that's all about the today's video regarding how you will prepare. The past papers are there, 7 years set, 5 years set, 10 years set, 12 years set of NEET MDS. Everything is available. Even for the INSET past paper is also available, including the 2023 paper. Even NEET MDS 2023 complete paper is available, and INSET 2023 my paper is also available. Now what else you are waiting for? Please contact as early as possible and get your set in your hand. That's all about the today's video. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.